This is a drinking tea mindfully meditation, but you can use any beverage. If you need, you can pause this recording now while you take a moment to get a cup of tea, coffee, or another drink. When you're ready, first observe the cup. Color, shape. Put your hands around the cup. Feel the warmth. You can smell the tea. And lift the cup. Take a sip. You can taste the tea. You can feel the warmth as you swallow. You may notice many thoughts come up in your mind. Thoughts of what happened moments before, or what you're going to do later today. You may notice judgment thoughts like, am I doing this right? Or I chose the wrong beverage. Whatever it might be. You can allow thoughts to come and to go. Simply return to the actual direct experiences in the moment, just now. Sight, smell, taste, temperature, how many times do we do something where we're just disconnected? We're not even really there. How many times do we go along on automatic pilot without awareness of our moment-to-moment experience? We're drinking a cup of tea, reading the newspaper, checking our email, having a conversation, listening to the radio, all at the same time. Where is the taste of that tea? So in this exercise, we try to be more fully present just with one activity.